Hey there YouTube, I'm very excited about the style we are bringing you today. This is an awesome feed-in braid tutorial featuring the lovely Ray, and so I'm going to show you how we achieve this together. It's my first time, so I'm so excited. Let's get started. Today's style calls for 2 center braids that look like they are feed-in braids, but they really aren't. They will just be done with her natural hair. I do see people add feed-in hair to the smaller braids, but I didn't think that was necessary in this style because she has enough hair for the small braids to grow in size as they get towards the end, and I think it looks pretty nice with just her own hair there in the middle. You saw my bottle there. I am using another one of my concoctions. I love to grease the middle of the parts. I know that healthy, moist hair makes for great hairstyles, but a nice, moist scalp also makes for healthy hair. So I have a concoction in that bottle. Those are some oils I like to put together. And again, I promise, be coming very soon with the what's in my bottles, what's in my spray bottle, what's in my pump bottle. And so I will be showing you guys all of those, but I just wanted to get this video up for you because, again, I am so excited about this, y'all. This is my first time ever doing feed-in braids. I was on YouTube myself watching a bunch of tutorials. I like China Braids. I'm going to link, I don't know, or post. I don't know how you do that yet because I'm brand new. But I definitely want to give a shout out to China Braids because I watched her videos so many times, her instructional feed-in braid video, to be able to create and accomplish this hairstyle, again, that I'm so excited about because I have wanted to do these types of braids for so long, and I see them on other people and they always look so great, but it just seems so complicated. And so I'm here to tell you guys that this is something that you definitely can achieve. If I can achieve it, you can achieve it. We can all do these braids. It's so simple. Most of those videos that you watch, I'm sure we've all seen them. They talk about the method, and as you can see there, every time my hand comes to the right, I add a new small piece of hair in my hand on the right side. I pinch it between my pointer finger and my thumb, and then I continue with the braids on out. And that is pretty much basically it. It takes a little time to get used to, and as with anything, practice is going to make it perfect. So these are my first braids, like I said, and so hopefully as my hairstyles get a little better, you will see my braiding technique here get a little better as well. I am also not used to edge control. I don't really use any edge control, so whenever anyone comes to get their hair done, they usually bring their own edge control. And so that's why you'll see in the videos that I'll be doing that it's going to feature a bunch of different edge controls because it's really just whatever edge control the people bring. And so again, as you saw, I like to put oil between my parts after I separate. We have applied edge control, a generous amount of edge control, definitely to the side braids. That's what all the other tutorials have said to do, so I am following suit. And I do see a difference where you put the edge control. I put a lot of edge control in these back braids as well. I smooth the hair together, and then I can start the braid off. I go maybe 2 or 3 loops depending on the actual braid, and after that, as you'll see, I start getting the pieces of hair to feed in. So very happy that I was able to accomplish this. Very happy that I'm able to show you guys, and I'm just feeling pumped. I really feel like I accomplished some good stuff here today because I've wanted to do this style for so long, and we did it together. And I'm so glad that she requested this style. She really pushed me out of my comfort zone. I would have probably just done 2 ponytails on her, or maybe a braid, a regular braid, not a feed-in braid, but this hairstyle pushed me to the limits, and I love it because I was able to do it with the help of YouTube. So just like I did it with the help of YouTube, you guys can do any of these styles with the help of our YouTube tutorial videos, hopefully. So this is our finished hairstyle. Every other braid person that I've seen has put foam on the braids. Do not ask me what that accomplishes. I will research it and try to figure out what it does, but I saw everybody else do it, so you know I was going to follow suit as well, because if it's something that helps keep the hair moist or keeps the style longer, I'm going to definitely do it. And here we are at the last bit of the hairstyle, applying jewelry. little finishing touch. This is a first day of school, back to school hairstyle for Ray. She starts school in 2 days, so we wanted to make it look extra super cute. Her mom and myself, we both think that just those 2 pieces of jewelry there were perfect and it would suffice, but we know that, you know, it is the first day of school, so Miss Ray wanted a little more jewelry, a little more bling bling, and she looks so cute in it. So we did submit to Ray and put more jewelry in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.